What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. This is the PBA recap. This is the PBA recap, week 3. But first, before we start, follow the Facebook page or follow our group, the Facebook group, Six
Ah,
Man Podcast dash
Bob.
Bench Mob.
Are you on one tonight, Nico? What's happening? What's
You
I'm
took a
sleepy.
second.
I
You're
woke
the
up at
one who
5. I
did
woke
that,
up at
bro.
5. I woke up
Oh,
at 5.
you're good. You're
I
good.
woke up at 5. I woke up at 5
You're
today.
good. You're good. But yeah, dude,
Yeah.
900. We're at 900 something
Let's
members in
go.
the
Let's
page.
make it
You know?
1K para may giveaway na si Graham of
Oh,
10,000
before the Holy Week.
pesos.
Yeah,
Nico
1K.
Rocha, 5,000 peso. Gas voucher. Shell, by the way. That's Shell. I mean, he doesn't care where you gas up. Shell.
Chill lang. Hindi pwede yung hindi pwede yung,
Hindi pwedeng Petron or ano?
Hindi ba
No,
pwede yung
Or
Jatot?
Caltex. No,
Phoenix,
Jatot.
Caltex.
No.
Gusto ko
Uno,
Jatot.
refill.
Bro, you
No
know my
sponsors,
favorite
man.
my favorite gas station is called Refill. Tapos yung fill is PHIL.
PHIL.
Yeah.
I
Refill.
love it, dude. I
Pumunta ka
love
na ba
it.
dun? Nagpag-gas ka ba talaga dun?
Hindi, pero I'm saying I like it in terms of like the name, man.
Full tank to
Dude.
empty in 100 kilometers.
Bro, I love yung mga names na sobrang creative. May nakita akong pet shop, tapos yung pangalan Animal. Like,
Animo. Oh.
Yeah, that's ano eh. Inaaral yan. Like yung laundry shop, it's called Lavada and then it has like the Lazada logo. So,
oh, that's
Hindi mo
good.
copyright yun.
That's copyright.
Di ba?
it's good.
But
How-
you
yeah.
can't have the copyright
I don't know.
infringement, patent law, all that.
Oh, may
whatever.
mga patent law. Anyway, first topic
Sorry.
namin, guys,
Sorry for
is ano nangyayari sa Converge? Is it a coach problem? Is it an import problem? Or is it both? Especially nakakatapos lang ng Hinebra versus Converge game. And what a step back. 4-pointer kay Alex Stockton.
Brother,
Lahat ng butike
the
patay.
Alex Stockton game, bro.
For the wrong
Alex
reasons.
Stockton game, man.
Oh my God.
It's even funnier when you realize na before that possession also, I think, or 2 possessions before that, siya din yung nag-turn over to give the ball to JB, kay RJ at that time. So like, I don't know, man. I feel like maybe they let go of the wrong guy. Maybe Shani is better, fits better with with Converge than Alec does. Because damn, it's not smooth sailing right now. Is it an import problem? At this point, it might be.
Then a
I
coaching
mean-
problem? Then
I mean, kasi, yeah, go ahead. Usually kasi we say na the import has 23 and 16, 23 and 15. Those are just like at some point, numero na lang yun eh. When you see him in the game, it just looks weird. It looks clunky. It looks like he doesn't know what to do. So I can't it might be time to change import into a more offensive powerhouse type of import.
Dahil naman kilala si
Is
Jacob eh.
it any of those problems or is it we don't have Juan Gomez Diliano problem?
Bro, it's one
Because
game.
he solves what?
It's only been how many games has one missed? One, right? Or 2?
No,
He's missed since
he's
the
missed 3
3 na.
or 4
Juan was
Guys,
there
comment.
for the game against
against
Macau,
Macau.
right? Yeah.
So that's
After
one.
that, did he play pa?
He hasn't played pa
did
since
he
then?
played against Terra Firma ata? He
Yeah,
played against
that's
He
right.
played
Terra
against
Firma,
Terra
if I
Firma.
remember
He's only
correctly.
missed the last
Okay,
one or two.
after that, he did not, di ba?
You
I'm
mean the
What was
counting.
their next game? Their next game was
He missed the last 3
against
na.
Meralco.
He missed the last
He
3
plays
na,
five
Mario.
games?
Yeah.
Why has Converge played so many games?
I don't know.
That's kind of
But,
crazy. I'm
I
not
mean,
gonna
it's, well, yung last 4 teams nga, umabot nga sa Final Four last conference. Nahuli nga sila sa schedule. But, man, it could be that we just don't have Juan Gomez Diliano. Because he solves a lot of problems. And now that Mikey is starting to at least get his feet wet, kanina, the only thing kanina na wala kay Mikey Williams, yung mga lobo na dilaw, tapos yung mga bayarang fans na finals ng lumilitaw. Because I had flashbacks of those step back 3-pointers, yung mga pilipit na tira.
Mga fans na nasa
from Mikey
Facebook din,
Williams.
Graham. Alam mo yan. Ikaw yung favorite na mga
Yeah,
yan.
right? Like anywhere but in the arena. But man, galing ni Mikey kanina, although he was taking any shot that he wanted to take 6 of 20. But at least we're now seeing what he's still capable of. Hindi siya yung talagang washed na parang kahit ano pang gawin mo, you're not gonna get the same Mikey Williams back.
Yeah.
Ito parang siguro 80% of the old Mikey. So I think if one comes back, Kyler Kelly can still be their import. Kasi nga hindi nila kailangan ng scorer eh. In the
Pero
end, they have a ton.
it doesn't look great, dude, with Kyler.
It
Like,
doesn't. Yeah, you're right.
man, the whole purpose of Kyler Kelly is to be able to defend Junmar Fajardo, right? I don't even think he did that well in their game against SMB.
Yeah, kaya nga siya binangko
So,
nung
yeah, so
Wednesday.
like, is it really Kyler Kelly's defensive thing? If he barely gets minutes playing defense, you know what I mean? I get where you're coming from. Not having Juan is a big deal, pero I don't know. There has to be a better center out there, I think, na import who can do both ends. Gets naman na baka defensive specialist talaga si Kyler, pero
He is
there has to
a
be
defensive
somebody out
specialist
there.
and inside guy. Yun lang talaga. It's
You can't tell me
very well
there's
defined.
nobody out there who can't do the same exact thing.
Madami.
Yeah, exactly.
Bro,
Ange
there
Juan
has
might
to
be
be.
able to do it.
But si
Bro,
Ange,
there has
si
to be.
Ange-
Alam mo
Ange
kung
might do
bakit?
it.
Bro, alam mo kung bakit there has to be? Magnolia ang nakakuha agad na magaling na import eh. Si Clay
Magaling nga si Chapman. No? We'll get there.
Chapman.
Galing, di ba?
We'll get
He's
there.
good.
We'll get
Chapman's
there.
good.
We
We'll
didn't
get,
see
but
we
SMB
didn't
though,
know where he came
literally
from.
call just call up Coach LA and ask for Nuni Omot's number,
Right?
dude.
Or even yung San Miguel import na paparating pa lang because
Si Justin Perlita,
we
we'll
can
talk
talk
about
about San Miguel later.
Yeah.
Pero there has to be another guy. If Kelly's not that guy, I understand. Pero I the problem I would like to say na I'll still wait. Pero the problem is ilan na yung talo nyo? 4 na, di ba?
How long can you
Um,
actually wait, man?
You're halfway through your elimination games and hindi pa nakakalaban yung TNT. Have they? No, they haven't. They haven't faced TNT yet, di ba?
Yeah.
So it's not gonna, I mean, the management may not be patient enough to wait for that. Kasi if you lose the top 4 slot, then you're facing twice to win a disadvantage. So that's the problem. I mean, I'd still stay with Kyler Kelly if Juan Gomez Diliano for sure is coming back next game. Pero if not, then probably not. Sayang yung talo nila kanina against Tinebra. Sayang din yung against San Miguel on Wednesday. Pero sayang yung
They
talo
were
against
leading,
kanina.
dude. Both of these games they were leading at halftime. So
Yeah.
I think what happens here is yung coaches kasi nakalaban nila, Coach Leo, Coach Tim, 'di ba? Marunong sila mag-adjust at halftime, 'di ba? At halftime, do the coaches of Converge, are they able to do the same, make the same adjustments as Ginebra or Coach Leo and all that? Maybe not. I don't think maybe they aren't there yet in terms of coaching. It's a lot of factors talaga as to why I think Converge is struggling this conference.
So it's both.
One,
To just summarize, it's really both.
For sure, man.
yeah.
Plus the one injury na last 3 games
Plus
also.
the one
Lahat
Gomez
nagsabay-sabay.
If
the
Shani
thing.
were here and Alec were not, do you think there would be a difference?
Wala din, hindi din. For me, hindi
You
din.
don't think
Because nandiyan din si Mikey. He's
First
still
of
gonna
all,
get
if
still
Shani
gonna
is
get the
here
shots
instead
of
of
Shawnee.
Bro, if Shani is here instead of Alec, they would have won the quarterfinal game against Ginebra and they would have won tonight's game against Ginebra because Alex Stockton is low-key a kabarangay. I mean, thank you, Alex.
Just tell us you want to put on the jersey, man.
Yeah, bro. I mean, we won't mind another gunner, Alex Stockton. Like, why are you helping us like
May
this?
isa akong GC kanina. Halata to si Stockton na gusto na umalis, no?
Right, I mean,
Just tell us that you want us to play.
you have
that
made
you
our
wanna play
lives
Ginebra.
happy, Alec, for 2 straight games against Converge already because the one-on-one play against Brownlee, the forced four-point shot, diba? The botched inbound play, and anything in between. I mean, in the clutch against Ginebra, Alex Stockton is low-key. Low-key
Ginebra
jinking.
Jinky. Was she the one who fouled last conference? Siya yun, di ba?
Oo, diba? Si Maya, siya rin yun. Yung kay Maya.
Yeah, that was him.
On
That was
the
him.
3-pointer. So, it's not a good look for Alex Stockton. One thing that's going for Converge, their next game is on April 10. So that's
They have a good time. They have good time to rest.
yeah, that's a lot of time to think about an import change or see where Juan Gomez Diliano is. If he's healthy, then probably roll the dice one more game. Problem is, you're up against Rain or Shine, who can win without an import.
Yeah.
Just beat Meralco without an import.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it for our Converge, no? Where we think they are, and very disappointing considering na I think I
Super.
had them sa top ng power rankings natin before the season
Two in.
started.
All of us.
All of us, oh yeah, it was a unanimous Converge at one. So,
It was unanimous.
again, maraming factors no, na hindi rin natin nakita or saw it coming, no? Next one, guys, Ball TNT against SMB. What a
Felt to
shooting display, no? I mean, that's not just Ball. It was really TNT's 3-point shooting. Just the net was, I mean, the ring was as big as they come.
Patayan, man.
They were just releasing everything, lahat pasok. And from the first quarter pa lang,
Tapos na yun.
tapos na, no?
Wala
Diniin na
pa.
nila eh.
I mean, number one, brother, your import is not gonna do. Marcus Lee is not
Wala
gonna do
talaga, bro.
anything against Bol. You know how like what's this called? Jalen Johnson, offensive machine, has a jump shot, and all that. That's why he was able to stretch the floor against Bol. Who was the second game against yung sa TNT?
Yung close game din yun eh. Against
Yeah,
NLEX.
NLEX against
Si
NLEX.
Lalane.
Cady Lalane. Cady Lalane is a big guy also, and he can score decently. So Bol has to worry about him. Brother, Bol was not worrying in the slightest about Marcus Lee in that game. You know what I mean? Like, have fun, do your life. You know what I mean? And
Scored
it
30
doesn't help
kills.
talaga. Yun talaga yung magpalit na kayo na import SMB. But again, later pa yan. TNT, even if they haven't looked amazing, yes, they lost to Ross, and yes, it was a close game against NLEX. End of the day, man, they're still what, 2-1? Aren't they 2-1 in the season right now?
3-1. They are 3-1.
They are
3-1?
3-1?
And Lex,
What?
No,
No,
TNT,
Ross. TNT.
they
They're
are
2-1.
2-1.
Yeah. Like, dude, they're 2-1 with them still trying to figure out ball way to play. And at least, naglabas na rin ng social media si Bol. So now we know that he ain't that mean.
Damage
Like
control.
he's willing to do
That
it.
damage control yun, Mario. I mean, bigla
For
na
sure.
lang. Tapos meron pa siyang ano yun yung answering the questions of the
Answering
fans?
questions.
Yeah.
Like, but hey, at least he's parang nakinig siya. That means he listened, which is good.
Yeah.
Hindi naman, di ba?
He can have the
Nakinig siya
attitude na, I don't really
nakinig siya sa TNT.
And sa PBA, kasi, I mean, well, he never listened.
Come on, man. Come
Nakinig siya kay Jolas.
Nakinig siya kay Jolas na si Jolas, man. That's who he listened to. He listened to no PBA, bro. Yeah, but TNT is good. Even if they were only 2-1, they're still very good. And let's not pretend like in that Ross game they weren't supposed to win, diba? They were up by 19 at a certain point, or 21 at a certain point. I kind of forgot. So they're still very good. They're still trying to figure out Bol, I think. Kaya medyo sila, there's some sort of disconnect pa rin. Pero they're gonna still make it to the playoffs for sure. Maybe semifinals for sure. Finals maybe even for sure. It's all that.
Still team to beat, 'di ba? We are bit by bit starting to see what Jason Castro adds to this team. Na okay, you have Heading, you have Nambatak, you have Oftana, you have Pugoy. And then meron ka pang Castro na hindi na starter at this point, which I think he still is gonna be a starter at 90% of other PBA teams, di ba? So sobrang lakas talaga nila. Ito yung ito yung pag naglaban sila sa San Miguel in the finals, I'll pick TNT this time. Whether magpalit yung SMB na import or not, I think TNT is the better team versus San Miguel at this point. I mean, it wasn't even close yesterday. Marcus D had his best game of his PBA stint, 30 points. Yeah, 30 on 12 of 16 shooting. Bolbo was like, okay, yeah, just get used to it. Yeah, okay. Chris Cross was chirping on the sidelines. Didn't matter. Bolbo.
Pero nag-usap naman sila ito nung huddle. Yung yung post-game. Alam mo namang it's just they're playing around.
These people are just trying to get in Bolbo. Once Bolbo realizes that the league is just trying to get in his head.
Wala na.
He'll just like, oo nga naman, why would I give a flying whatever about
Ako pala yung pinakamagaling dito. Ako nga pala yung pinakamagaling dito.
Unless someone does an abueva to him, he shouldn't mind yung mga ganun, mga pang-aasar-asar lang na
I don't think somebody has who's big enough to do an abueva to him.
Belga.
Belga tried to
Bo
punk
tried.
him.
Bo tried.
He tried, but
Belga. Yeah,
Kaylan, I think, also tried a bit.
hey,
But
they won.
yeah.
they won,
They
yeah.
won.
They won.
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, Glenn Cobuntin did a double Abueva to
Yeah, oo nga yun.
Square.
Glenn
Kaso
Shaw.
kakampi niya yun eh.
Yeah,
Kakampi niya
so,
yun, di ba? But
yeah.
man, they're just so deep. BGR had a good game also kahapon. So at this point for TNT, parang yung elimination round, it's just integrating ball lang eh. Na
At this point,
make
no?
him
Yeah.
as comfortable
It takes a while. That
as
will
he
take a
can
while.
get to the system. Pero bro, I mean, yung mga panalo nila, yung unang dalawang laro nila, dikit yun ah. But now they pulled away against SMB, although SMB is not the team that we think they are. It's getting a little bit scarier na pag ito talaga nagamay ni Bolbol yung system ni Coach Chot, then it will be
Slowly. I
really,
mean,
really
that
big.
SMB games, is one of the clear signs that it's working. It's gonna take a while, but when the
It'll get
threes are hitting, it's really hard.
Yeah. And bro, alam mo yung maganda dito? He really brings the crowd to the game.
Yeah,
Kahapon
oo,
puno
grabe.
yun,
Oo.
Yung lower box. Yung lower box ng ng
Lumalabas yung mga
ng-
TNT fans, Grim. At PBA fans na rin.
and not even just TNT fans, pati yung fans ng
Bro,
kabilang team.
won't even give that to them, bro. Let him.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, nakakahiya naman eh. NBA caliber na import nyo, di pa kayo manonood live. Pero, bro, even yung fans ng kabilang team, di ba? Ng San Miguel, they
Yeah,
really
they
wanted
like to
see what
watch. They're
Bol Bol is all
enamored
about.
by Bol Bol. Tayo rin naman eh.
bro,
I wanna watch you.
Right. I mean, imagine, dulo kasi nilagay, May 10 pa. It's like a month and a half from now. Pero, Ginebra TNT sa MOA Arena, that's a Sunday.
Wow, that's a
packed.
nice game.
That'll be packed if Bobo is still around.
That won't be a
He'll be
nice.
around. He's not leaving. I don't think he's leaving.
He won't leave, but I don't think
for
that'll
sure.
be a nice game.
Why you think na one-sided to
wow.
TNT?
I think that's I think
Oh.
that's a one-sided game, guys. I'm not gonna.
Really?
I'm just telling you what I think right now.
Really? Okay, hater.
Brother, yes. Yes,
Mhm.
really.
Yeah,
Like
easy.
I'm not even concerned about that.
Okay. But all I'm saying is he's bringing the crowd, diba? Ang ganda bro na kahit yung lower box lang mapuno kasi OA naman yung sinasabi daw, no 90s puno kada game eh. May napapanood nga ako ng mga 90s, bungi-bungi rin yung mga upuan. So,
Why
it's
you
good that
lying?
he's
Why you all lying, man?
diba parang nung 90s puno lahat ng laro. Tinan mo nga yung
May
mga
Yossi
first
pa.
game na yung mga alas 4.
Di ba? May Yossi pa sa...
Diba? Ngayon din naman may nagbe-vape pa.
No, iba yung Yossi dati, bro. Pati coach nag-Yossi on the sidelines.
That's true. But yeah, they're scary. They're the team to beat. Can't wait for May 10. That's my birthday and I'll probably at the arena.
Birthday pa ni Grem. O, so kailan pali? Anong libre mo sa amin?
No, the
Amo?
tickets. eh.
Amo?
May utang pa nga tayo
just-
dun eh.
Ayun nga pala.
Yeah, may utang pa sa akin.
tayo dun eh.
Just give me the tickets. Let's watch the game. But yeah, they're the team to beat. They're scary. Next game is on April 7 against Meralco. Nice. But they're gonna win.
Is it point of wait lang? I didn't read our topic list. If ever it's not. Okay. I will insert this now. How in the world did Meralco lose to Ross without an import? I know Ross is good without an import right now for some weird reason. But dude, Meralco is no pushover in the slightest. They just dominated
I don't
Titan
understand as well.
And yes, they did dominate Titan. I don't care if the final score was only by 13. They dominated Titan that whole game. There was not a single point in that match where you thought Titan was going to win. Well, to be fair, I don't think at any point you would have thought Titan was going to win that, even if they were up 10 or whatever. So, moving on to that, because, I feel like it. Ross without an import makes no sense to me. Like, I don't get how they're good without an import. It just doesn't fit my brain space. Kasi, number one, apologies, Luis Villegas. I will do this now. Apologies to you, brother. We were saying that you were just not healthy anymore. When you get to the PBA, it might not even be that good. Brother, we were wrong. Or I will say I was wrong. Man, this guy is good. 3-point shooter. In that game against TNT, he was defending decently, had a really tough mid-range off the backboard pull-up. He's good. And I'm a fan of Luis Villegas, but I think the main star talaga ng Ross is dude Adrian Nocum.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, guy, he's really good. Is he Gilas?
Di talaga eh. I mean, he's really good pero there's some players hindi talaga bagay sa coach team led Gilas ah.
Pag si Coach Yeng ulit yung coach,
Ti-
pwede, di ba?
Yeah, I mean, of course, he's gonna
Yeah,
get
I
his own
mean,
First
guys.
of all, Coach Yang would never come back.
Di siya
yeah,
kukunin.
that's true. Yeah, that's true.
Two
Pero
facts. Two things can be factual.
can be true.
He
Diba?
wouldn't come back. He might not be taken either way. But oh
Bro,
man,
pero
he's
yung Sinokum, I agree with you. Pero I think
Star
yung
yun.
Ross
He's a
kasi,
star.
yung collection talaga ng locals nila, bagay talaga eh. Like at any given point, and this is a trademark of a Coach Yeng team, na at any given point, may puputok. I mean, Felix Demiti Pangilinan scored 23 points in that game. Diba?
does
He
Felix still
was
go by Lemeti Pangilinan or just Lemeti na lang
or
ngayon?
just
Lemeti
Lemeti, I think. But
Pangilinan talaga.
Lemeti Pangilinan pa rin.
No, di ba on his jersey now Lemeti lang?
Lemeti
Oh,
na,
ano,
even sa
Lemeti na
PBA
lang. Even
website.
sa PBA website, yes.
Yeah.
I mean, nasanay na tayo eh, di ba? But, you know,
I think it's too
is
long
what it
to
is.
say Lemeti
Yeah, it's
Pangilinan.
ang mahaba. But, bro, 23 points. When was that? It wasn't even a year ago nung pinapanood natin siya nagpa-practice sa Araneta Coliseum na broken hand, di ba? May cast
Mm.
and may banda. So,
Yeah.
at any given point, that player can be Felix Lemeti or Kalen Tiongson, or at sometimes, or probably he's the most consistent player, Jordan Clarito. Like, I'm a fan of
Jordan
Clarito.
Clarito.
Na-confuse ako. Sabi ko, sino si Jordan?
Like,
Michael Jonard. Si Michael Jonard kasi.
Bro, ang sarap panoorin ni Clarito. Ang sarap maging kakampi ni Clarito because he just plays basketball. Ito
Ano pang
Android
masarap
man,
kay
di na
Clarito, Graham?
papagod.
Ano pang masarap kay Clarito?
Don't get me
Eh.
started. Don't get me started. You've been blue balling me for that face card. But
Tagal
man,
na
di ba
eh.
ang sarap ni Clarito talaga kakampi? Speaking of masarap, Kalen Johnson also had a good game, di ba? Against Meralco. So, it's that, and it's probably Meralco parang playing down to their competition. This is sakit to ng Ginebra,
Actually.
sakit to ng Lakers, di ba? When the competition is
Mga favorite teams mo,
not
sakit
that
ng favorite
high.
teams mo, bale.
yeah.
Sakit
When the
ng
competition
LA
is not that
Dodgers.
high, aka Detroit without Cade Cunningham, aka NLEX when we're leading by 6 with 3 minutes to go. We play down to the competition. So, it was a great win by Ross. You know, you win whatever is in front of you, and right now they are at the top of the standings.
Man, you talked about Ginebra. Might as well. We're already here, right? We'll do the loss first. Let's do the loss first. That's fair.
Yeah.
Man, Isaac.
Bro, Isaac.
Isaac, my guy.
I mean,
last
he's coming off
conference,
an injury. Parang talagang to be expected yan. I wasn't surprised. It's really to be expected.
But to lose the
Bro.
ball.
2 months, two conferences ago, we were saying
Tagal.
Rafi Reeves was put into the game for one reason. To get the rebound against Brandon Canuelas, against Kelly Williams.
Kenny Williams.
Yeah. Isaac go. Same thing, brother. You had one job in that moment, man. Just one.
It was LJ that stole the ball, no?
Bro, what's painful is he already got the rebound. Reeves did not even get the rebound. Isaac got the ball.
Reeves didn't touch it. Reeves didn't touch it. At least Isaac touched it. Man, that one hurt me. Kasi sana 3-0 na Ginebra ngayon.
3-0, right?
Yeah,
Power
but-
rankings, I would have put him above Ross for sure.
Yeah,
Now
we
I
know.
cannot.
Of course
we
you
know.
would. Of course
We
you
know,
would,
Graham.
bro.
We know. Don't worry. We got it. But yeah, man, that one hurt. But speaking of NLEX, Bolek is very good. Lane is good. LJ Gonzalez, I think, has been very good for NLEX this conference. And we have one of our
Early
moderators.
favorite, rookie of the year. Early
No.
favorite.
He didn't play sa... What do you mean? It's Juan Gomez de Leano.
Brother.
Oh yeah,
Come-
sorry. Di
come
ko,
on, man.
di ko na iniisip na si GDL sa ano.
To be fair.
Maybe
I
he
don't
might
feel
be
easy.
he might be fourth in rookie of the year convos, man.
Dude, I forgot na GDL sa rookie pa
Juan
pala.
is
No?
higher. Gio is
Yeah.
higher.
Who's the
Dalf.
third?
No,
Dalf?
Dalf is not higher.
Because of being associated with Blackwater, no?
Yeah. Well, to be fair,
I
Blackwater.
don't know.
I'm trying to
But
think
yeah,
of the.
Juan is running away with the award, by the way.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I forgot that
Bro,
once.
Juan was in the running for MVP.
Yeah.
Of course.
BPC.
Of course.
Yeah, BPC.
Ah, yeah, sure, whatever, man. Same thing. I hate that we have a BPC MVP thing, dude. It just annoys me. But that's not anybody's fault, naman. Who else could be? Actually, no, he's probably third on the list right now. I just looked at
Agad?
he's from last conference. No, LJ. LJ's probably third.
Agad
Dun
si
sa-
LJ3?
Bro, who you have higher than him? You have Dalf higher? No.
Yeah, they'll play the conference.
Dalf is not higher than LJ, man.
Oh
Dalf's
my
not higher
God.
than- Chris Kun might still be higher than LJ.
No.
Oh, but you have
He's not
Dalf higher than.
playing.
Huh?
He barely plays.
Okay, you obviously not you, Ken. Jason Brickman, not yet. Will Gozum, no. Chris Miller, no.
Si ano bro, yung sa Terra Firma, si Bravo.
Actually,
JM
JM
Bravo.
Bravo. Pero hindi siya third.
He's not over LJ.
So third mo na si LJ. Si
You
LJ
have
na
to
nga.
give credit
si
to
LJ na.
the players.
I
who
know that they
sa
played
first
one conference already, man. But if I'm asking you right now who you're starting a team with,
Iba yun, man. Iba naman yung
Sige,
sinasabi.
you're right,
Kasi
you're right.
sabi ko yung sa ano.
I moved the goalposts. That's my bad. That's my bad.
Ginalo ni
Sinasabi ko yung
That's my bad. That's my
running
bad.
for Rookie of the Year, di ba?
Galit sa'yo si Grem.
In terms of, okay, let's say if LJ Gonzalez does this for the rest of the conference, is he third?
Yeah, oo naman.
Okay,
lalampasan
then that's
mo
where I'm
talaga
coming
yung
from, man. What in terms of the form they're showing, LJ's third. I think Juan is number one for sure. Number two is Gio Chu. The number three is probably LJ at that point. But you know who a rookie who needs a lot of credit?
Who?
James Una of
James.
Black. Bro, he's
Di
been
ba ano
playing
yan? Baste?
well.
Baste yan, di ba?
Si
Yeah,
James,
Baste.
si James Una.
San Sebastian, yeah. Dude, he's been playing well for Blackwater. With Ochefu and with Upshaw, he's been good, dude. I'm a big fan of him.
Oh yeah,
But
si
yeah.
James.
For sure, it's one. And I don't even know where we were
Bro.
talking about.
Bro, we're talking about NLEX, okay?
Kasi LJ, yeah, LJ, my bad.
Yeah, LJ. I heard a comparison. I think it's a group tayo no na
Si Alfred yun.
Yeah,
Alfred,
reminds him
ikaw,
of Jason
boy.
Castro.
Yeah.
Is that Alfred na nagsabi na ano? He reminds him of Jason Castro. Probably
It was Alfred.
it's him, okay? That's probably a stretch. Pero yeah, he has him and Bolik, they can make wonders in the backcourt. Again, kulang pa rin yan. Kulang pa rin yung NLEX na yan. Di pa rin yan ka-level ng mga top teams. Pero they look very promising. LJ Gonzalez, Robert Bolik, tas dadagdagan pa ng Kiefer Rovena pag sakasakali. That's gonna be crazy. And then All-Star JB Bahio, although he had a bad game against Ginebra. I mean, not really a good game, I should say. Pero yung talo, man, sakit nun. I hate it when
That was a weird
Ginebra gets
loss.
cute in the end. Because we got really complacent sa last 3 minutes. We were up 6. We let them come back. And I hate when RJ Barrientos is guarding the best player on the opposition, man.
Matchup
does
hunt
that
na yun. Matchup hunt na yun.
Yung kay Bolik
Well, matchup hunted yun, man. Di yun
Matchup
kasalanan.
hunt yun. Di yun talagang
Bro,
hinahanap
wala.
nila si
Coach Tim
RJ.
is not putting RJ
No, I get it,
Barrientos.
man. Pero you can put more effort. Not saying na ayoko si RJ because I have a jersey of RJ. I like RJ.
Ang
He's
laki na
my
ginaling niya
BPC.
per conference. Ang laki na ginaling
He's
ni
my
RJ.
BPC for now. He's my
Played so
BPC
well kanina.
right
Hit
now.
32. He had 32.
Yeah.
Diba?
He's the BPC right now for sure. The conference.
In terms of
inside, now he's the
statistical
BPC.
points, no? In terms of stats na
He's the
Mario, in
BPC.
terms of those
Yeah,
SPs lang,
yeah,
walang
yeah,
walang
yeah.
voting.
Yeah, mouth wide open, eyes wide, go.
He agreed
RJ is
naman.
the
Sabi niya
BPC
kung
right
just without the voting, just pure stats,
now.
si RJ nga.
Pero bro, credit to NLEX. Like they know how to get with you in the clutch. 'Di ba? TNT pinahirapan din nila. So they're low.
Yeah. And got
They
the
catch
call
it
na
the wrong
tama na.
night talaga.
And then got the
They're
call.
gonna
Got the last 2-minute call. Hey, easy lang.
Yeah, hey. I think we don't want to go
Mahal
0-2
bayad namin kay
in
Bolbol.
possibly.
Wait a minute. I'm not letting this one go. Wait, I'm just trying to look at
What?
the stats to see if I'm if I'm
Yeah,
going crazy. You said you have RJ as the BPC right now.
Check his
Yep.
stats. It's
Yeah,
playing
I know.
well.
I'm looking at the stats. I'm looking at the stats. I'm trying to find a specific
First
person.
game had 25.
Okay.
Okay. Then he had 14
Okay.
against
And
NLEX.
8.
Okay, that was a
And 8
struggle.
assists.
Okay.
Okay,
2
tonight, how
steals.
about, can I interest you in 32 points?
Okay. All right. Do you have anything else for me?
No, that's it.
Okay. Now let me introduce you to Robert Bolick as well, right? Um, I feel
Okay.
like Robert Bolick 30. He had 32 also against RJ.
Okay. Okay.
Had 23 or 21 against who was this?
TNT in Volleyball.
Against TNT, then had 14 against Magnolia.
Magnolia.
Is that their last game or have they played more than? Oh
That's the
yeah.
first game.
No,
No, no,
no.
no, no. Their first game's against Biwats.
Yeah,
Oh,
Blackwater he
against
had
Blackwater.
24. I would lean Robert Bolick for me. I see where you're coming from. I'm not fully
That makes
hating
sense
on
also,
him.
Mario. That makes sense. So, Bolick, it's the stats eh.
Yeah, in
Bolick's
terms of stats, in terms of stats,
1
I
and 2.
think
We're looking at 1 and 2.
yeah.
Played more games.
Oh wow. One more game.
I
Sure.
agree. That's the difference. Yeah.
We're not adding it all together. We're dividing. We're getting the average right now. No.
Yeah, that's why.
All right.
All right. Bro, here's what I'm gonna tell you. RJ's team's gonna go to the semis at least. Robert Bolick's team's in the quarterfinals.
Oh, I had to say something. I was gonna say something, but I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it, man.
All right. All
I'm
right.
gonna
But
save
yeah,
it.
masakit yung
I
talo
will not
against
save it. I will not
NLEX.
save it. Okay.
What?
If you're right, Hinebra will make it to the semis. Will that be solely on the back of RJ?
Looks like it right now, bro.
Justin Brownlee doesn't exist?
I know. Bro, Brownie, it's given, man.
No,
It's
that's my
given.
point. Who's the first option on Hinebra?
Brownie is the
Brownlee pa
import.
rin. Brownlee pa
Who's the
rin.
first option on Index?
Bolick.
Oh,
Ah,
that's
huli.
yan,
Bro, kasi
yan,
naman,
yan,
bro,
yan.
kasi naman, yung
Yan,
import
yan,
naman
yan,
ng
Hindi, okay
import
na.
ng Ginebra. Bro, yung import ng Ginebra is your main guy kind of import. Yun sila, Lane, hindi naman ganun yun eh.
Because Bolick is a better main guy.
Actually.
God, I hate that I have to explain it to you.
What do you mean? I'm not saying RJ doesn't deserve it, but man.
Iba yung
Is
iba yung
Brown
Bolick,
is
iba yung Bolick yung kalaban
Okay,
mo.
okay. Let's do this. Let's turn it around. Let's turn it around again. If I put Cadila Lane on Phoenix, is Cadila Lane the main guy?
Phoenix.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, so he is a first option caliber player. It just so happens
Bro,
that
layo
on
naman kasi nun,
NLEX,
yung best player ng Phoenix sa best player ng NLEX. Bolick versus
that's my point. Kasi Bolick
I'm
is
telling you. I'm telling you. Lane is not the shot creator Brownlee is.
Get where you're
Layo.
coming. Bro, I get where you're coming from. I'm just saying, to compare one team going to the playoff semis
Bro,
and one team not going
Okay.
to the semis.
So if Brownlee is in NLEX, who's the main guy?
Got me. got me there. Might be Brownlee.
What do you mean might be Brownlee? It's definitely Brownlee. Bro, beat
It's
the barangay.
definitely
man.
Brownlee. Impit ka
Okay.
ni Greb, ha?
Okay.
Galing nun, ha? Minsan lang mangyari yan, Mario. Okay
you
lang yan.
turned me. Yeah, you turned me on that. I'm not gonna lie. All right, I'll give it to you. You can have whoever
It's
you want.
RJ, right? Okay, good. Now we're squared. Now the win against Converge, it's a good win, but again, we're facing a team na wala si Juan Gomez de Lianes, kind of skidding right now. Pero RJ Barrientos has been really, really good this conference. Top 2, all right. Let's just not argue. He's top 2. He has overtaken Scott. I think this is his team now. No?
Well, we haven't seen Scotty yet, right? Or
We have, pero hindi siya yung Scotty na
it's
ano.
not the same Scotty as before.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Although
yeah.
namigay siya ng sapatos, probably it's the shoes, Scotty. What's going on? But it's RJ's team at this point. And shout out to Troy Rosario, who was really a warrior kanina. Had 9 offensive rebounds.
He's always been a
Just
warrior for Ginebra.
Yeah.
He's always been.
They're in the group chat though.
Yeah. He's just having problems finishing at the rim. Pero he's good. Really, really like Troy Rosario.
He's always been like this, man. He's always been like this. That's why
Yeah.
I always feel so sad dun sa RHJ TNT na finals against
Yun nga
Ginebra.
sabi ko, di ba, kung di lang siya injured, ayaw niya lang akong samahan. on that boat.
I wouldn't say they would have won, but I feel like if siya talaga yung pinaka-missing piece ng Hinebra ng time na yun, I still don't think they would have won because RHJ was on another level no series na yun. But he definitely helps them a lot more than hurts them. And let's be real, last conference they wouldn't be in the semis if he didn't make that 3-point shot against Converge, right? So,
Yeah.
dude,
That is
one
true.
of the biggest pickups for Hinebra recently talaga has been Troy. I think he's been
He's a perfect player for the triangle talaga, no? Si Troy.
Yeah.
Big guy that can shoot, that can pass, active.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I feel very good about Ginebra at this conference. The first 3 games that I saw. No, this is not, just fanboying or anything. Parang
It
if
is.
if you're
It
being
is.
objective, you have to put them at least at the top 4 right now.
Yeah,
And you have to, and that I mean, San Miguel and Converge struggling plays a role. Pero
Wala yan yung strand.
if
Actually, San
I'm looking
Miguel
at the
talaga
top,
pag commissioners talaga
wala
yan
talaga
sila.
yan, man. Talagang you
they'll
have
fix
to
their
find the right
problems,
import.
bro.
Justin Patton. Actually, let's now move on to the last topic. It's becoming a Hinebra podcast again. Let's move on
But
to
it just became a Hinebra pod because someone here wants to argue about Bolig. But yeah, Justin
It's a
Patton.
valid
Alex.
argument though. It's a valid argument.
I converted him.
No, you did.
Okay,
I just
so
said
it's
for
not
that argument, you got me. You were right, but I'm still holding my argument. I'm still saying Bolick over RJ.
Okay. All right, Justin Patton.
Wait, yeah, Justin Patton's one of those imports sa papalit nga kay, I hope he's the last, pero knowing the track record of SMB,
Not the last.
I feel like may dalawa pa. may isa pa.
Bro. Dude, SMB, you're terrible at picking imports, dude. I'm not. You're really bad at picking imports. I don't understand it. Like, the one you've gotten right the most recently was Jordan Adams, I'd say. I think Adams fit well sa SMB at that time. Na-injured lang, I think it was his back, I think, if I remember it correctly. But Jordan Adams fit SMB perfectly.
Perfect nga si Jordan Adams. Pero pang ano yun, Mario, pang governors. Yung may height
Were
limit.
you, nakakulong ka ba when they had Benny Boat, right?
Before Justin Jordan Adams, Benny. It was Benny and then Jordan and then.
Okay, got it. I thought you're saying.
So you shut your mouth, okay? I said most recent. All right.
Ayaw mo na magpahuli, Mario, no? Hindi ka na magpapahuli kay Grem. Isa lang, one lang.
Me out and he was, oh my gosh.
Okay, what happened?
But yeah, I think SMB is terrible at picking imports, dude. Which doesn't make sense because like you have a scouting department who should tell you exactly who fits your team, and what's this called? Marcus Lee is not that guy to fit your team. Not even close. I know he had 30, but did that 30 really did that move any of you when he had the 30 piece? I
No.
don't think,
No.
right? It didn't really move us, right? It's it's like, okay, it happened, it's there.
Good job.
Yeah.
What a copy.
Yeah. Got it. SMB has to change import. I said it a while ago, I think Converge has to change import as well. But aside from that, I don't really know who else needs to change import. I don't think many others do, if I'm being honest with you.
Bro, SMB, I think his scouting team nila is solely focused on watching Terra Firma games. Sino mga dito pwede natin kunin? I mean, outside of Terra Firma, they haven't done anything really well in terms of getting people.
Scouting team.
TN,
Hindi sila tumitingin sa draft, no?
NLEX, by the way.
yeah, no, but
That's a crazy.
Controliano,
TNT.
NLEX.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. I have to go back to this one. Motaw Tua, TNT.
TNT.
Northport. Galing Northport.
Northport. TNT Northport.
Do you know who actually came from Terra Firma aside from CJ Perez? Only 2 other people came from Terra Firma
Kwame.
aside from CJ. It
Kwame
was
Kahilig.
Kwame and Kahilig. And let's be honest. Has SMB benefited from the Kwame Kahilig trade?
Here we go again. All right. I'll just answer no so we can move on. Pero bro, I think
Just
yung scout
answer
nila
no, so-
limited. Bro, it's
Damn
either their scout is not doing a good job or walang passport yun, man. Di makalabas ng Pinas. Kasi they cannot find a good import. I mean, when TNT is getting Bol, Terrence Jones, KJ McDaniels, you guys are getting these imports na hindi talaga fit sa system. Like, don't you know na Junmar is the centerpiece of your offense na, okay, siguro si Junmar sa ilalim, kuha tayo nung magaling sa labas. Kuha tayo ng Benny Boatwright, di ba? Ng mga
Pero ang
Chris
hirap siguro
McCollum.
makaroon ng ganang mold. No? Kahit Caddy Lane nga bagay sa SMB.
Bro,
Bro, it's
Nuni
it's not
Omot.
that hard.
Nuni
Yes,
Omot nga
Omot.
actually.
Nuni Omot's
I mean,
right there.
si Ali.
Literally.
He's in the
literally
same gym, right? They're practicing in the same gym.
You literally own the same, you have the same owners. Just
Pero
give,
pinauwi na ata eh.
Di
Wala
yan.
na.
Could be.
Pinauwi na
Actually,
yan, Mario.
pwedeng standby
Pinauwi na
yun, bro, kasi pwede pa ulit magpalit. Pwede siyang bumalik pag hindi maganda yung nilaro ni, ni Chapman, although magaling si Chapman kahapon. Pero, brother, you're San Miguel. Diba? Gusto nyo mag-Grand Slam and then you're getting an import like this. No disrespect. Like, put him sa other team, he may be effective. Diba? Put him sa team na, like Phoenix. Oh, the Phoenix is playing well then. He may be a better fit. Pero San Miguel hindi talaga ubrema. We talked about this sa preview ng Commissioner's Cup. It's not gonna work. You cannot have two bigs, especially when Junmar cannot play outside. So, hopefully
Okay pa
Patton
ngayon,
will
Mas okay pa nga
What?
laro nila pag andyan si Mo instead of Junmar. Instead of
Diba?
Marcos.
Whoa,
instead
whoa,
of
whoa, whoa.
Marcos. Yeah.
Bad.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bad.
Diba? So, I'm telling you, Patton is also a big guy.
You know what's funny? It's either Junmar and Mo or Mo and Marcos. But it's not
Yeah.
Junmar and Marcos.
So, diba?
not
Hindi talaga compatible, man.
Or it's either,
Hindi talaga.
Mo and Brondial or Brondial. Actually, that's it. Basta Mo and some. It has to be Mo with
Para
one of
mas
these
bagay
bigs.
pa nga ng Junmar Anosike kasi si Anosike alam niya at least gagawin niya eh, no?
And
Pwede
EJ
pa nga
had a
sila
3,
mag-all
bro.
Filipino eh. Pwede pa sila mag-all Filipino na lang.
No. Graham, it's not gonna work. Not in the Commissioner's Cup, man.
I'm telling you, San Miguel is
To
still good.
Governor
Pero-
siguro pwede pa.
Pero man, all I'm saying is these scouts from SMB, you have to do a better job. Lagi kayo napag-iiwanan sa Commissioner's Cup eh. You can get a guy like Andrew Nicholson yung sa Bay Area. That will
Isn't
work.
playing
he
with-
in, where is he
He's with,
now,
I don't
Mario?
know.
Justin Gutang in
Chinese.
Pero he's gonna be released
Oh,
ata, di ba? I saw a report na he's
Uy,
on thin
parang oo
ice.
nga, no?
no.
Si Andrew Nicholson.
Di
Nicholson.
ba sa group yun? Parang may nag-post.
Di
Yeah,
ba yun?
if
I think maybe
Yeah, I
because their season's about to end.
Okay, baka
Yeah.
ganun na parang
But I don't
no
think
choice
he's-
na ba to let him go?
Kasi
Man,
medyo
Marcus
patapos
Gill.
na rin yung season ng KBL eh. But it's nothing about he's the better. I don't know. Is he the better import? Maybe. I think his teammate there, yung co-import niya doon is yung kapatid ni Enes Kanter, by the way. That's just a random fun fact. But yeah, dude, they need a better import. SMB truly needs a better. Even in the league right now, like in certain teams that they somewhat own, they have better import options. What's his name? Michael Gilmore. Dude, put Michael Gilmore on SMB.
Bagay siya nga sa SMB.
yung Ali nga, bro, si Mubashar Ali.
Si Mubush. Ayan, tumitingnan sila sa Terra Firma, di ba?
Diba?
Yun talaga,
May
yung
kumukuha nga kayo dyan. Or sabi nga, di ba, may nag-propose, I think we all also talked about it, pero may nagsabi talaga about an import trade, di ba? Sa group
Yeah.
natin.
Omot for
Almost for
Marcus Lee.
Marcus Lee.
But
Yeah,
to be
why
fair,
not?
lamang yung Magnolia kay Chapman. Chapman's good. Good
Yeah,
change.
Chapman.
Good
Oo.
change yan for Magnolia, I'd say.
Pero to si Patton man, NBA player.
Maraming NBA player na hindi magaling, bro. Na hindi like on.
Na hindi jive pa, Rad. Hindi fit
Yeah.
sa
Okay.
PBA.
Yeah, I agree with that.
When Orlando Johnson was on Ginebra, did they win games?
Yeah.
He was just getting his
But they were
numbers,
number
though.
8.
He was
They
just
were
getting
number
his
They're just getting
numbers.
bro. Some people are just here to get numbers. That's it.
Remember yung gusto natin sa Meralco, Mario? We keep forgetting this guy's name, but we always get enamored with him. Yung
Ay,
naka
okay
50.
siya! I remember, yung na-injure na ACL.
Tapos, hindi siya na ACL, pero alam mo yung tirado natin sa EASL? Sabi ko,
Yeah.
di ba Mario, ito yung taga Meralco? Tapos naglaro din siya sa SGA. Yung doon sa Dubai, he didn't play for SGA, pero nakalaban siya ng SGA.
I don't know.
Kilala ko si Simon Marpe.
I know the
Is it
face though
Dawson?
kasi
It's not
nakikita ko yan eh.
Johnson?
Naglalakad yan.
Ito sa Johnson.
He was the import of He was the import of Bay Area, di ba?
No, he wasn't. Ah,
No, it's not Miles
Okay.
Powell. It's not Miles
No,
Nowell.
not Miles. Hindi,
Ah,
hindi,
man.
hindi.
Zach Lofton.
Yun! Zach
Zach
Lofton.
Lofton.
Zach Lofton.
Yeah, Zach
He
bring
was
your own
so
ball
good.
Lofton.
Dude,
Bagay
Zach
sa
Lofton.
SFA.
Ah,
Ay, hindi,
Bagay-
baka mag-clash. Kukunin niya yung ano.
Di na mabibigay. Dude, the guy SMB needs is literally Nuni Omot. I, I think the answer is literally Nuni Omot for SMB, man.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Who else need to change imports?
Converge, San Miguel.
Converge,
Actually,
Skylor for I think
Actually,
need to be
that's pretty
changed.
much it, bro.
Right? I don't
mean,
think kasi si
Macau,
Opshaw's been good for
yeah, sa Blackwater.
Robert
Yeah.
Upshaw.
Obviously,
Michael Gilmore, you cannot get a better import. I mean, it's not the import that's the problem. It's the team.
Yeah.
Macau has to change imports.
They
for-
changed coaches. What the fuck?
yeah, they
Former
changed.
Nike Ace, by the way. Former
They watch Mario's podcast. They're like,
former Nike Ace Marcus Elliott, by the
yes,
way.
siguro,
Wow.
ikaw siguro, parang familiar to ah.
Dude, I swear. I saw it and I was like,
It's-
yo, this guy is familiar. I know this
Sinerch
guy.
mo.
Yeah, like, this guy, I've seen him play. Ah, former Nike Ace.
Aces.
Former Nike.
Right?
Ano to? Team of the podcast. It's not the Lakers. It's the Nike Aces.
Bro, former
Bro,
Nike
we have
Ace.
to be sponsored by the Nike.
By the Nike Aces.
Tony Mitchell, I don't know if you can. He's not bad. Macau's just bad. It's not Tony Mitchell's fault that they're bad, man. I think
Yeah.
it's the same as Michael Gilmore. Na, dude, what can you do? His
Taas
team-
na expectation natin, bro, kasi yung Bay Area nga, di ba?
Yeah. You know, they said before na Hong Kong played here, but I forgot.
Hong Kong
When they
Eastern,
did.
yeah.
Yeah, Hong Kong
They-
Eastern.
Was that
They were
recently?
meh.
Last year?
Last year.
Graham?
Last
Early na.
year.
Yeah,
Am I going crazy?
2024.
Tingnan mo to. Hong Kong
2024.
Eastern. PBA.
2024 to 2025.
Am I going
December.
crazy?
December 2024.
Yeah,
yeah,
that was
umabot
when,
dun.
yan yung nag-champion
Ah.
yung TNT with RHJ na game 7.
Joke. Yeah, I remember this is Cameron Clark. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tapos
Bro,
yung Chris
power
McLaughlin.
rankings. After week 3, Ross has to be number 1. This one is undisputed, right? Ross is number 1.
Yeah.
We got number 2. So there are 4 teams na tabla 3 and 1. You have Terra Firma, you have Phoenix, you have NLEX, you have Meralco. We got number
That's what
2.
I'm gonna say, man. I think number 2 is NLEX.
Yeah, there we go. Hey Nico, why the sad face?
Ay, hindi ako sa face. Sumitingin ako sa standings yun ng PBA
Got it.
website.
Yeah, I agree with that. It has to be NLEX.
And Lex,
Um,
yeah. Phoenix.
Then I
Phoenix.
got Phoenix at
Wow.
number 3. You're not gonna believe it.
Wow.
But I got Phoenix at number 3.
Mario. Wow.
Wow.
No, my
Then, nandiyan yung
problem
black
is,
bands ni FS Candor outside his house.
by the way, Skandor is playing well, ha?
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
Candor.
Yeah.
He's
taking advantage of
having
the
a
minutes.
revelation sa Phoenix. So I have him number
Pero
3.
Charles kasi naman knows how to use him. SGA pa eh. So parang di ako surprised.
Yeah,
Charles knows how to
but,
use it.
but still, di ba, nag-Ross yan and he wasn't a factor.
Yeah,
So,
it's not Charles holding using him in Ross.
I know. It's just that at least we know there's something in there. The reason I did not put Meralco is natalo kasi kay Saros na walang import eh.
Yeah.
So,
Dude,
if you
It's
lost
so
to
hard
Ross
to put a team
playing,
high after that.
oh, diba? That's why at number 4, I'm putting Ginebra.
Okay,
Above
guys.
Meralco, above Terra Firma.
Wait lang ah. Terra Firma lost one game, guys. Why did we just drop them all of a sudden out of the air, man?
They're still
Actually,
still
no,
there.
I have to put TNT at no, Ginebra is at number 4.
Where is Terra
Hindi.
Firma?
No,
to?
fuck. No. Oh yeah, it's your first one
Bro, if you
loss
want the
parang-
standings, go to pba.ph. I'm saying it's power rankings.
I
Like,
know.
how do
Where
you
is Terra
value
Firma?
it?
They lost one game. Do they drop back to 8 after they lose one game?
No, they get next to TNT. So it's Ginebra, TNT, and Terra Firma.
Terra Firma's what,
Not
6
wrong.
or 5? Nasaan na ba tayo?
Terra Firma at the standings is number 2. At the power
No,
rankings,
no,
I have
power
them at
rankings.
number
Where are we at
6.
the power rankings? We're at 6.
We're
I'll
at
put
6.
Parang Terra
Pwede mo
over
ba
Ginebra
Ginebra?
muna sa
I'm having a
power.
hard time giving them 6, man. They lost one game.
And they have one more win than Ginebra. I gotta put them over Ginebra. This is a power
so
rankings
that's 4.
anyway.
But
Ginebra's at 5,
I will-
TNT is at 6.
I will say though, in a game, I think Ginebra beats Terra
Of
Firma.
course.
Yeah, but this is power rankings.
This
Again,
power
ito,
rankings.
You
ito na
just
naman
can't
tayo.
drop Terra
After
Firma
week
this far.
3, why is it so difficult? After week 3, how do you view the team?
Because you had them at 6. You literally had Terra
NLEX.
Firma at 6 before we started talking to you.
Because that was a bad loss to Phoenix, man.
It's
Tambak
one
sila dun eh.
loss. It's one
At least the
loss.
Ginebra loss was close.
It's still one loss, man. It's just one loss. It was just a bad day at the office, dude. They woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Give them a break.
Bro, it's like it's about to be a bad month for Terra Firma. I'm telling
So you just gave up on our team already.
you. First of all, it's not
So
my
after
team.
the
I want them
Nike
to lose.
Aces, it's Terra Firma na pala.
Okay, all right.
Gave up on it.
Let's do this properly. So it's rain or shine. It's NLEX. It's Phoenix. It's Terra Firma. And then it's TNT. I'll put TNT over Ginebra for now. Scary because of the scary factor. So TNT is at 5, Ginebra is at 6. I think we can end with that because the rest of
Yeah,
the
we can end
teams-
with that, yeah.
Yeah, Magnolia by the way comes next. For me. If
Yeah, last
we're
naman talaga Titan. I mean, if you, yeah, Titan doesn't really.
There are other teams, Beto.
San Miguel, they're not worth talking about yet.
Yeah,
Bro, kung
yeah,
yung nakalaban
yeah,
na
good.
ng Wednesday, team na may import na maayos, hindi converge, they would have been 0-3.
Actually.
Diba? Wala lang the import yung converge. I mean, that was a rare sighting. Both imports bangko in the game. In the
I
fourth
mean, let's be
quarter.
real, guys. They threw that game against Titan. That was
No, that always happens,
Yeah.
Mario. The first game of a championship, they're always sleepwalking.
I mean, we can always just bring the what ifs, but dude, in 99 out of 100 scenarios, SMB beats Titan, brother.
By 20 plus.
If Marcus Lee didn't play in that game, do you think they would have won?
Yeah.
Siguro.
He had 5 points. I
Yeah.
And
remember.
4
LeBron
rebounds.
had 8 against Dallas. He had 5 against Titan.
The heck?
Dallas.
That tells you
Damn.
a lot about
Oh my
that
god.
struggle.
All right. Yung naman guys, thank you so much for listening to our podcast. It's a 1-hour recording. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Sabi ko 30 minutes lang.
Yeah, sabi na
Here we
20
go.
minutes bago tayo mag-start eh.
That's not gonna happen.
Pero upload ko na
Adios,
to.
amigos.
Thank you so
Just
much for
joking,
listening.
Have Ginebra at 4.
What do you thought? Okay, bye.
Ranking.